Yeah, making a wrong decision when it comes to talent, we have faced a lot of consequences in the past, which is a very good learning. So we try to consider all those factors, and we are very careful in bringing in the talent. We don't look at just the technicality, number one. Technicality is okay, a tick, but we also look at the cultural fitment of the candidate, which is very important. If the candidate is super duper technically fit, and if he or she doesn't align with the cultural aspects, we don't consider that talent. And we also do a kind of psychometric analysis. All our recruiters in our organization, they are trained in that. So we try to understand, assess the candidate in all those aspects as well. The longevity of the candidate. Even we try to understand their backgrounds, not just the professional, even on their personal side. And being a growing organization, small size growing organization, we would like to have employees staying and growing with us. So we look at various aspects, their other interests, because nowadays, if you look at it, people, especially the younger generation, they want to put their footsteps in everything. They want to be engaged, they want to be very efficient, and they don't want to be questioned also. So we consider all those factors. We try to look at giving multiple opportunities, right opportunities at the right time, basically. So we figure out all those things, and we work with their strength and weakness, basically.
Lovely. So, you know what? King Napoleon, when he was invading Russia, he actually made a culture test for his among his army members in terms of assessing the army's confidence, strategy, the leadership skills, and all that. So, I would like to pose this question to you. Maybe you can share a tough decision that you have made, at Epope, where you had to test a culture of your employees, something like that.
Yeah.